What's going on, everybody? I'm Roman. Welcome to my channel, Roman's DIY Garage. Let's get started. What I have for you guys is a 1995 Honda Del Sol SI. It's got an original D16 Z6. It's getting a full 2.5-inch header back exhaust with a vibrant resonator and a Magnaflow dual tip 2.5 muffler. Up top we have automatic trans. We got a full auto to manual swap. I'm going to show you guys every step of the way. And we have a fully built D16 Z6 from CNC Works in Kingston, New Hampshire. It has a CSS system installed, 75.5 Y-scope pistons, skunk to alpha rods, ACL bearings, and a ported OEM oil pump. It's rated for 600s, but I'm planning to stay around the 400 range. Goal is to keep the car fully functional with air conditioning and power steering. This is the 2.5-inch exhaust that's going to be going on the car. I'll put the link to my detailing page on Instagram and Facebook. Check that out, Roman's Auto Spa. Appreciate the support. And I have the manual transmissions down here for the turbo build. Stay tuned for those videos. So today is Saturday. It's not too bad outside, and we got some of our stuff back last night from the welder. I'll spin you around, you can take a look. Alright, so what we got today, guys, is second half of the header welded into the flex pipe, and then that welded to the 2 to 2.5 adapter into a V-band, and then my mid pipe will attach to the V-band, which is right there, and then the mid pipe will have resonator, vibrant 2.5 ultra quiet resonator. Got those done, V-band as well. But we got to throw the first part on today. We just gotta pull the rags out of the header there, and then put these two together. This thing will sit right where it's supposed to, and then we'll get it mocked up with the mid pipe and the resonator right where those hangers are, sort of right in that area. And then right before the elbow, I'm going to put the resonator. You'll see that in the next clip. And then we'll do the axle back, and we'll just keep updating you throughout. Alright guys, so I had to pull the flex pipe and the header off again just to bend down this little lip here on the flex pipe. The oil pan and flex pipe are really close, but now you can see there's plenty of room, plenty of finger space up there. So looking good now. Everything's gonna get bolted right back up, and then we're gonna mock up the mid pipe resonator and the axle back. New day, back at it again, getting this exhaust done finally. Let's see what we got. We have the resonator and the mid pipe and header all completely done. Gonna go all the way back in to the elbow, coming around the corner, go over the control arm, and right into the muffler. Resonator welded up, got the hangers all done. Everything's sitting nice and flush, looking real clean. And we got coming around the elbow, and we have Bobby right now hooking up and lining up the axle back into the V-band, into the muffler, making sure everything fits well. Flex pipe into the mid pipe, looking really good. Everything looks real even, straight. I'll bring you around, show you what we're looking like down here. We got the different hanger situation. I like that a lot better than the OEM style. Looks way better, creates more clearance. Elbows looking great. Coming over the control arm, we'll bring you to the back side so I can show you what that side looks like. So far, everything looking really good. So I'm getting ready to put the exhaust back on the car, but earlier today, I sprayed it down with some VHT Flameproof Satin Clear. Really good product. I enjoy it. I think it gives it a good finish, gives it that brushed aluminum look. So stay tuned for that. And to wrap this video up for you guys, I want to give a shout out to my guy Bobby for all the fab work and the welding that he did an amazing job. The car came out great, the exhaust sounds awesome. I'm excited, I'm ready to take it for a ride. I'll let you guys know how that sounds. Guys think in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and until next time, take care. Peace.